What's up, everybody? We're going to do a quick unboxing of my new acquisition, and you can tell it's Taurus. So let's crack this thing open. Here we go. Comes in a nice nylon bag. All right, there we go. This is the Taurus G3 Tactical. So real quick before we pull it out, let's go. It's overall length is 7.76 inches. Barrel length with this one is 4.5 inches. Overall height is 5.38 inches. Overall weight unloaded is 25.8, which we'll check with our scale. The width is 1.2 inches. It has a 1 in 10 twist right hand with 6 groove barreling, and it is a DLC finish stainless steel, and the slide is Patriot Brown, and it has the Taurus optics ready option, so it is cut for an optic already. So it comes with two 17-round mags, and the only thing I don't like, it's got this sleeve, which I think has a potential to, if you're putting it in, pinch a little bit. But we'll see how that goes. I don't know. It may not be an issue. So you get two of those. You got your lock, which will just stay in the bag. I'm not taking that out. And we have here optics plates. And sorry, I hit the camera. All right, here is the firearm itself. Threaded barrel, suppressor height sights, G3 Taurus with a flat face trigger. It is 9mm, made in Brazil. So not too bad. The one thing that'll throw you off about this gun is the trigger. It's what they call restrike capable, which I know there's an aftermarket trigger you can get that'll take that away. I think if I hit a bad primer, I'm just going to tap, rack, bang just like I normally do. You see it goes apart like a Glock. Problem with it is you have to, once you pull the trigger with the Glock and it stays back, then you just pull back. This one you actually have to finagle it to where you can get your hand on it to get the slide. And you can see the inside here. Looks fairly typical striker-like pistol. Same field strip as every other pistol in the world. All right, there you go. Not too bad. From what I've read, and I don't see it, there's usually two springs that come with this thing. And that is not the case with mine, so I don't know if they've changed that up. But mine just has the one spring. So we're going to run this thing suppressed and see how it does. Oh, here's the other spring. My fault. One of them's blue and one of them's green. And this is my unboxing, so of course I don't know which one is which, but we will, when we take this out on the range, we're going to find out how it runs suppressed and see if we need to actually change out the spring. But that, guys, is a real quick unboxing. Then, of course, your owner's manual, warranty card, all that jazz is in here. So All right, guys, let's get this thing out on the range. We'll shoot a magazine unsuppressed, and then we'll pop a suppressor on it and see how it does. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the Taurus G3 Tactical set up with the silencer code Octane 9. Let's see how it performs suppressed. Those 135s are nice. That's throwing me off a little bit with this trigger. There's so much take up. That'll take a little bit of getting used to, but it ain't too bad. Just a little bit of training, you know what I'm saying? Hang on, let's switch it to the Resilient, see how that does. All right, guys, we have the 135 grain reloads of mine. We're gonna pop them in our Taurus G3, and we have the Resilient RSP silencer on it. Let's see how it does. These 135 grains sound really good. Let me step back, make sure you see how we go. We're gonna go off steel first. That one was a little cracky. RSP sounds pretty good. What do you guys think? Do you think the Silencer Octane 9 is quieter, or this Resilient? Let me know down below in the comments. Peace out. Alright, guys, we are out with the Resilient Suppressors RSP. We have that up on the Taurus G3's Tactical. Shooting, where's the camera? 135 grain reloads of mine. Let's go ahead and see how they do. We have the suppressor spring in, off the steel. Back off.